Here in the herb garden, we have to plant some more parsley. This is some parsley that we planted last year, and as you can see, it's going to seed right now, so there's not many leaves there to eat. We'll just let that keep going to seed. Maybe it'll reseed itself in the herb garden. But I have a new plant right here. This is curly leaf parsley. There's two kinds. There's flat leafed and curly leaf. I'm just going to take it out of the container here, and we're just going to plant it right here. Now, when you're planting, you want to make sure that you plant at the same level as the plant was in the container. So that's probably just a hair too deep. Put some dirt back in there. Okay, that looks good. Now we'll go ahead and firm it up. You can see that I have a little bit of the soil from the container is visible there. So that means I got it just about in the right place. Now I'm going to make sure I put the plant tag in here so I know exactly what I planted. And when I put plant tags in, I push them very far into the ground because over the course of the year, the sun beats on them and they tend to fade, and I can't read what it says come, late summer or fall. So by pushing it way far into the ground, I can just pull it out, see what it is, put it back in again.